Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to make broth for noodles. First, let's gather our essential ingredients for a flavorful foundation. You'll need about 2 pounds of chicken bones or a whole carcass, which provides excellent depth. Next, prepare your aromatics: 2 carrots, 2 celery stalks, and 1 large onion, all roughly chopped. Don't forget a few sprigs of fresh parsley, 1 bay leaf, and about 10 whole black peppercorns. Finally, have 12 cups of cold water ready to immerse everything. Now that you have your ingredients, let's get cooking. Carefully place all your chicken bones and chopped vegetables into a large stock pot. Pour the 12 cups of cold water over everything, making sure all the solids are submerged. Place the pot on your stovetop and bring the mixture to a gentle boil over medium-high heat. As soon as you see it bubbling, immediately reduce the heat to its lowest setting to begin a slow simmer. This is where the magic happens, as flavors deepen over time. Allow your broth to simmer gently for at least 3 to 4 hours. Longer is even better for a richer taste. During this time, occasionally skim off any foam or impurities that rise to the surface to keep your broth clear. Once simmering is complete, carefully strain the entire contents through a fine mesh sieve or cheesecloth into a clean bowl. Discard all the cooked solids, leaving you with a beautiful, clear, and aromatic liquid. With your broth strained, it's time for the final touches. Taste your broth and season it with salt and pepper to your personal preference. Remember, you can always add more later. Allow the broth to cool completely at room temperature before storing. You can store the cooled broth in airtight containers in the refrigerator for up to 4 days, or freeze it for up to 3 months. This versatile broth is now ready to elevate your favorite noodle dishes.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.